Hi, hello, welcome to Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima Basu. So let's do the ritual first, or I'll do the ritual later on. Okay, so what I'm going to prepare, I will prepare a very common recipe but with some uncommon thing. One is Quails egg and another is Bandel cheese. The Bandel cheese, most of the people they don't know about the Bandel cheese. So the recipe I'm going to do, that is Shakshuka. And the origin of the recipe, it's Tunisia, but in the Middle East and North Africa it's very famous. You can see in this recipe there are more variant. There are so little bit variant or different kind of recipe in Shaksukha. But the common thing is the base will be tomato sauce and bell pepper. So in this recipe I am using Quails egg and Bandel cheese. If you don't have Bandel cheese, you can use feta cheese as well. And if you don't have Quails egg, and you can go for the normal egg. The ritual what I am going to do, that is just check Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel, and you can go through Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook, Instagram and Zomato. So what you are waiting for? Let's go for the recipe. Colored one is smoked Bandel cheese and I am going to use the white one, not the smoked one. And these are the teeny Quails egg I am going to use in this recipe. Quails eggs are very teeny in size, but never consume more than 1 or 2 because it's high protein, it can harm. And these are the Bandel cheeses. To keep the egg yolk intact, first of all break the Quails egg in separate teeny bowls and grate the Bandel cheese as well. Keep it aside. Start with the Shaksukha recipe. This is grated Bandel cheese, chopped garlic, red bell pepper slice, and this is onion or shallots, and this is fresh chopped parsley. Apart from that, the base, lots of chopped tomatoes with seed on, and the spices. So coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, black pepper powder, and then chili flakes and tomato sauce. Heat some olive oil. You can take extra virgin olive oil, but I am using scissor. I am using pomace olive oil because it's not that much expensive. Heat the olive oil and add sliced shallots. If you don't have shallots, you can use the sliced onion as well, and then add the red bell pepper. I'm using red bell pepper. You can use yellow or green bell pepper as well, but I prefer the red bell pepper. And add the chopped garlic and everything. So give it a stir and cook it. Open the lid and check if it's soft. Once they are soft, the onion and everything, add the chopped tomatoes and all the spices. Give it a stir and again cover it up so it will be a mushy one. Check the gravy is done or not. So it's done and mushy, the sauce is done, the base is done. Now go for the next step. Now make holes inside the gravy with the help of spoon and very carefully place the Quails egg yolk one by one. Make sure the egg yolks are intact. And cover it and cook it in a low flame. Open the lid and eggs are already set. Now sprinkle grated Bandel cheese and chopped parsley. So Shaksukha is ready to serve, and enjoy the recipe and do let me know how it is.